Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a part 3 of 4 of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette series. The winner of my giveaway will be announced towards the end of the video. I will put their name on the screen, so continue watching to find out if you won. So let's begin. I'm going to begin priming my eyelids and then set it with some loose powder. The first shade I'm picking up is called Birch, and I'm going to apply that as my transition shade. And I'm going to be applying this with a Morphe E27 brush. Then I'm picking up Steampunk and applying some setting spray to the brush and then applying this all over my mobile lid. The brush that I'm using is a Real Techniques synthetic shader brush. I'm picking up Pearl on the same brush and I'm going to be applying that just to the center of my mobile lids. This is going to add that glossy spotlight effect to the mobile lids and just give it more dimension. With a clean brush, I'm just going around the edges to soften the look and blend both the shades in. Now I'm going in with a black felt tip eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and I'm going to be creating a small wing. To make this easier, I basically just draw the outline of the wing first and then fill it in. And then I'm going in with a brown eyeliner and I'm just going to fill in my bottom lash line. Next, I'm picking up Birch and then I'm going to soften up the brown eyeliner. I decided to pick up Dystopian and go over the bottom lash line because I just wanted to darken it up a little bit more, but I'm not taking this all the way to the inner corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to tightline with the brown eyeliner. I decided to add falsies and mascara, of course, and this is the completed look. The second look is a cool tone brown smoky eye. And I'm going to start off with this paint pot from MAC. It's called Constructivist, and I'm going to apply that as my base. Next, I'm going to pick up a clean synthetic brush and just clean up the edges. I'm going to begin with applying Twig as my transition shade. And the brush I'm using is a Morphe E27 brush. Next, I'm picking up Birch and applying that directly into my crease. Just layering these products as we go along so that we have a soft and seamless blend from dark to light. I'm going to pack Dystopian all over my mobile eyelids. This is a flat shader brush. This brush came with the palette, and I'm just working on stamping the product all over my mobile lid first so that the colors appear more darker and saturated. Here I'm taking a tinier blending brush and I'm going to be diffusing the harsh lines around the edges and into my crease so that we can soften up the brown shade. At this point, I'm going back in with Dystopian and adding some of that brown back onto the lids. Here I'm picking up Noir on a smaller pencil brush and then going back in and adding it to the outer V. I wanted this look to be really sultry and smoky, so I'm kind of playing off between the browns and the blacks in this palette a little bit more, just making sure that I get that nice sultry, sooty kind of eye, and at the same time just have it really nice and dark, because that's pretty much the look that we're going for here. I'm going to line my lash line with this black eyeliner from Nude Sticks, and then I'm also going to smudge this out. I'm going to continue to tightline and darken up the lower lash line using some of the dark shades in the palette. I used Dystopian and just basically set that liner as well. And then I went in with a Birch and Twig together just to soften up the harsh edges underneath. At this point, I'm just cleaning up around the eyes before going in with mascara and lashes. And that completes this look. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Congratulations to the winner of my giveaway. Please do DM me on Instagram so that I can send you the giveaway prize as soon as possible. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs this video up, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!